There we go, fish on. Yeah, buddy. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It is tournament day. So we are in a Sheepshead tournament today. The goal is pretty much the two longest Sheepshead. So the two Sheepshead that measure in the longest will win this tournament today. I'm just getting started this morning, 7 o'clock. It's about 61 degrees, but it's still pretty nice regardless. But anywho, yeah, so we're starting a little bit later than several, and we're in a kayak versus them in the boats, being able to hit up the reefs, get some larger fish, but that's not going to stop me or deter me. So we're going to keep at it. We're going to hit this hard, and we're going to try to win this. So there's 4 placements. First place is going to be $600. Second place, $400. Third place, $250. Fourth place, $100. There's a Calcutta side for the longest ladyfish, and that's worth $170. So we're gonna sit out here and we're gonna get after it. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here's what I'm gonna try right off the bat. I scraped some oysters, and a mussel was in there. So what I'm gonna do is I just put my hook right through it, and I'm gonna see if I can get anything to bite on this. I might try to break it open a little bit, but other than that, drop it down, see what it does. Yeah, we are down and fish on already. Wow, that did not take long. And it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. All right, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yes. what a way to start. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness, look at this fish, guys. What else do you want on tournament day? What else do you want on tournament day, guys? Wow. Unbelievable. Look at this thing. He's a beast, okay? He's a good fish. Yes, that is such an awesome way to start, especially on tournament day. That is such a confidence boost. I know that catching a fish on your first drop, people say it's bad luck, but don't forget, I was trolling a paddle tail on the way in, so we're good if you believe in that kind of nonsense. I don't. Let's get back to it. This is awesome. I'm gonna measure this fish, and I'll let you know what we got. Let's keep it up. Wow, he's a big dog. Okay, so he is right at 18 and a half. 18 and a half inches with a pinch tail, just shy. It's a good fish, guys. All right, let's get back at it. So what I'm fishing today, I'm fishing with the Calico Jack. This is it's a 7-foot medium heavy. It's an action spinning rod. I've got a 30-pound regular monoliter, and I'm fishing with the 3/0 owner octopus hook. And normally, I know on the channel I always say fish with that 1/0 because it's smaller. That's what they need. But on tournament day, you fish the bigger hooks, you're going to target the bigger fish. So if you're looking to grocery shopping, go with that 1/0 or that size 1 every day, all day. But when it comes to a tournament, you don't want to mess with the little dinkers. You want the bigger dogs, so you go with the 3/0 hook. All right, we got a fish on. Okay, he's not biting like he's small. All right, let's get this guy in the boat. Get this guy in the boat. Ah, yes. All right. All right, we got fish number 2. That's all we needed to qualify, so. And he's another good fish. Oh man, so So very blessed so far today. Oh man. Thank you, Jesus. That fish, beautiful. It's a 16 3/4 inch fish. It's getting down there and it's getting tagged immediately. There it is. Already. Wow. There we go, fish on. All right. Well, we are getting instant hookups, people. These are instant hookups. These fish are hungry. Gotta get this off the hook and get another bait down there. Oh dude, oh dude. Fish on. Oh, he's heavier. All right, let's get a look at you. What the world? Oh, it's another beast. It's another beast. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Unbelievable. Look at this. What a day. What a day. Wow. He's a beast. Oh my goodness, he's a beast. Look at this guy. Oh my word. Dude, this guy is giant. Look at this thing. Oh, I gotta show you guys this fish. He is a giant. Hey, hey, hey. Stay there. Stay there. Look at this fish. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. He's a beast. You see in this? I can't hold him far enough out to actually keep him in frame. Let me turn it. Oh, there he is. All right, I'm gonna get a measurement on this guy. All right, we're gonna put him on the bump board. Get his mouth up there. All right, that is a 19-inch fish all day long. All day long, 19 inches. Look at him. All right, guys, I don't know what to say, man. This is awesome. I'm so excited. I've caught, this is not my PB, but to catch this many fish with this much size today, I am thrilled, man. I'm so excited, especially on tournament day. You couldn't ask for better. We've got a chance here, so stay tuned.